Hey folks, this is Sagar, and in this video I will be explaining what is endpoint monitoring in middleware. Endpoints helps you see all the API routes by which you can quickly understand traffic latency and errors. Middleware by default will list down that its endpoints from the traces from the APM. But if you want additional information such as endpoint description and endpoint parameters, then you can add OpenAPI spec document manually. To access endpoints, you want to come to the APM section, and then in the endpoints, you will find the list of all the API routes associated with their method, services, number of requests, error rate, P95 and P99 latency, and its API. Now, to add new API, first click on View APIs, and here you will find the list of added APIs. Uh, to add new API, again, click on Add New API, and here you will find two options. The first is the GitHub option, and the second option is adding OpenAPI spec document locally. So I'll be going with the second option where I'll be uploading a file from my local computer. Yeah, so the file has been uploaded and I'll be naming it demo-open. So yes, our API document has been uploaded successfully. So once you upload a document, let's see what kind of data that you should be expecting from it. So let me expand over middleware API. And as you can see, it will list down the endpoints, its API route, along with its associated service, number of requests, error rates, and P99 latency. So yes, this is how you add an API document to your system. Now let's expand over existing API route. So let me find something. Okay. Okay. So once you expand over uh, one of the traces or one of the endpoints that you have on in your screen, so it will have a description, the parameters, responses. So I have three responses which are nothing but status code. So one is for host configuration, second one is for invalid or expired token, the third one is for server error. You also get endpoint summary, and there is an average time. Now if we switch to the second tab, deployment and dependencies. So here you will find the services and versions associated to that specific endpoint. And here is the service map, which explains how the services are talking to each other. Now let's go to span summary and traces. And here you can see the services and the associated spans. Now let's go to errors. And here are the total errors that we have, which can be fixed with OpsAI, which we will cover in another video. So yes, this was it from my end. If you have any queries, please let us know. See you in the next one.